Hi guys, how are you? I'm good. This is Jarsos Lectures. By this video, I bring you one very important lessons of web programming. Before starting my lectures, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, to like my videos, and to share the videos link and the channel link with your friends. When I directly proceed to my lectures, this is the lectures or the lessons about HTML tables. As I have already done within my uh, previous videos about HTML tags, many HTML elements are there, like that of header element, uh, image element, video element, audio element, paragraph element, link or hyperlink element. Many elements are there. What I want to say here is that all the elements are defined by HTML tag. For each of the element, there is a tag to define each of them or to display each of them on the web browsers. We use a tag. We use a tag. Now, uh, like another element, we can create a table within HTML files, or we can display a table within web browsers. And to define this table on the web browsers, or to display the tables within the web browsers, to define the table, we use table tag. Table tag is used for defining the table. And within, as you already know from your background, table is formed from compositions of rows and the columns. From compositions of rows and the columns. And the tr tag is there. This tr tag is used to define table row. Tr tag is used to define the table row. And as you know, one row is formed from many columns or many attributes or many column headers. To define those column headers, or to put the cells or to put the content within the cells, we use td tag for all the data. For all the data, to insert the data as a column header or the other data, we use td tag. But it is mostly recommended to use th tag to put column header. As the name suggests, th means for table header. Table row is formed from many attributes, many column headers. So to put this column header, we use th tag. All of them are container tag type, table tag, tr tag, td tag, and the th tag. All of them are container tag type. Now when I repeat this one again, table tag is used to define the table. And as you know, table is formed from the rows. Those rows are defined by the tr tags. And the one row can have two or more columns, or two or more column headers or attributes. Those attributes can be inserted by td tag, but to make them bolder than the other data, we use th tag. What we put, all the contents of this th tag is, look here. The text in th tag will be bolder, look, bold, and the centered, aligned at centered by default. This is by default. Both what the content what we put within the th tag or table header tag is both bold and aligned at the center. This is the point. So as general, table tag is to define the table, tr is to define the table row, td is to define the cell within the table, or the contents of the cells. And here td stands for table data and the whole contents of the data cells. Td tag can contain text. Look here. As you know, what we want to insert into the table can be different formats of data: text, link, image, list, forms. What we want, video, audio. We can insert what we want. So this TD is used to hold, used to insert those informations. And what I want to tell you here is that if you are going to inserting the column headers, you have to use th tag, since the contents of this th tag is bold and centered. This is the point. Now let us see some very important tags to define those table contents. Now, majorly, the mainly important tags are there. Those important tags are the table tag. Most of the time, those are the main tags that we use to define the table and the table content. This table tag is used to define the table, as I have already told you. Th tag is used to define the table header. Tr is used to define table row. Td is used to define the table cells, the content or the data which we want to insert. And when we put by their orders, this comes most of the time comes after the table row or on the HTML files. Look, to define the table first, you should define table tag. This table tag is used to define the table. Then what follows this table tag is tr tag. This tr tag is used to define the table rows. Then after defining the table rows, we have to define the column headers, or we have to define the attributes within the column. Those are defined by th. But by the way, this th and the td tags are used to define the same. Used to put the data into the cells. But this one is more recommended. This th is more recommended, most recommended for what? Look, this th is recommended to define by table headers, the column headers of the tables. The column headers. Look, this table tag is used to define the table. Tr is to define the table row. Th is for a column headers, and the td is for the data within the cell, to define the data within the cells. This one is also for the cell, but what cells? The column header cells. Let me see what we are talking about practically. Okay. One. Look here. This program is there. As I have already told you, table tag is used to define the tables. And the tr is there to define the table row. This is now the first row. Look, table row is opened here and they close it here. This is now column header. Number, look, let us draw the table to store students' information. This is the table to store students' informations. Now the column header is, the first column is roll number, we can say number, student's name, student's grade. This is all the column headers. Let us see this one. Let me draw this one by HTML files. Okay. HTML. By the way, the common structure is the same for all HTML. Okay. Head. Title tag, my table web page, then closing tags of title tag, then closing tags of head tag, then now body tag. Those are the common structures. The common tags that are used to define the structures or the skeletons of HTML files or HTML programs. Now body tag, then table, then table row. This is tr is used to define the table row. Within the table row now, within the first row, we have to define the column header. Okay, let me say th. This th is used to define the column header. They are actually used to define the data cell, but from the data cell, this is what this the data cell which is defined by this stage tag is bolt and aligned center. This is already most of the time recommended for the column header to define the column header. Look, number the closing tags of this th tag. Then also to have another column header th. Okay, student's name, closing tags of th tag. Then we can have also another column header th. Okay. Student is grade, th. Okay, let me close now. Those are enough. Now when we run this file, our tables will have 3 column headers. Now let's create another row for the table data now to insert the actual data. Those one is the column headers. The first row holds the column headers. Now table row. Okay. Now td. Now let's say the first student the name is, let me say, Liban. Then td, closing tags of td tag. Okay. Then for all the column headers we must insert the data, otherwise it will be the table structure will be will be defined with the errors. Now this is sorry, this is for the number, you have to say 1. Then student name Liban, closing tags of td tag. Then for the third column the data is by the first row student grade, let me say this student is grade 9 td. Okay, let me close also this row tr, closing tags of tr tag. Then simply by copying this one we can simply edit the data, the content is by copying this one. Let me paste here. Okay, tr, we have closed this one, td, this one is 2. Let me say this one, this student is named Tola, and let me say his grade is 10. Okay. Then for the third row, for the data, actually the first row is the column header, and the next one is hold this information about a student named Liban, and the third hold this student information hold this information about a student named Tola, and the fourth one is about student let me say Jonas. Let me say he is grade 11. And let me also create the other row. Okay, tr, we have closed this one. Let me say this one is here 4. I think my program is my code is visible. Then let me say this one student child 2. Then let me say child 2 is grade 12. Now we have closed the row, we have opened here, we have opened for the row which stores student about child 2 is opened here and closed here. Now we have to close the table. If we want to add another student, we have to add another new row. This is the point. Table, closing tags of table tag, and the closing tags of body tag, and the closing tags of html tag. This is all about programs. Let us check before just let me before checking, let me save it. Saving is must, but it is file extensions. Since within my directory another table, another HTML file named table is there, let me say table one, table one dot HTML. This is must. Otherwise, your programs will raise an errors. Look here, HTML tag is already closed. Here tag, there is no closing tag of a tag. Look here, we have said dead. Should be head. Look, such like error may result we may cause our programs can't be displayed on the web browsers. Look, we have closed this one. Title tag is closed. We have to check body tag. Body tag is already closed. Here table tag is already closed. Let us check for each row. The first row is closed. Oh, we have defined 3 column header, which is defined by th tag. Okay, the next the first row for the data is already closed. We have closed this one. We have inserted 3 data. Now for each column header we have to insert the data. This is must. Okay, for the second column and for data, look, we have inserted 3. Here also we have inserted 3. Here we have inserted 3. Now let us see what will happen on the web browsers. Look, number, name, grade. 1, 2, okay. Here 1, since we have look here, our program is here, 1 is there, look. Not 1, 1, 2, 3. Here should be, sorry, here should be 3. This is what we have done the mistake. Let me again what will happen. We have to save what we have changed. We have to save for what we have changed. Okay, let me check it again. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. This the number which is first one is now here. It is first one. Since it is the error, I have already corrected. Now it is 3. But our table doesn't have a border. This is the issue. Now to add the border to our table, look here, border equal to 1. This is one of its attribute. This is the border. You can say we can make it 2, we can make it 3, we can make what we want by saving the change we have done. Let us see. Look, it has its own border now. It has its own border. We can make the border too. Let us check again. Let us check it again. Look, this too. And now we can specify, or we can add the heights of the table. We can change both the dimensions, either height or the width. Either the height or the width we can specify here. Here, look, height, let me say equal to, which is in pixel 50, and the width also equal to 50 in pixels. Okay, let me see what will happen. No more addition. Let me add it again. Let me make it 200. 200. Okay, let me check it again. Look, we have added. Let us make, let me make, for example, 500. The first one is actually the it is sizes. Look, we can specify it is width and it is width and it is height as we want. And what I want to tell you is that the table tag is used to specify the table. Look here, we have used it. This table tag is used to specify the tables. Table, this tr tag is used to define table row, and the th is used to define the column header. As I have told you, the contents of th tag is by default it is bold and centered. Look, by default this one is the content which is defined by th tag, they are centered and also bold. What we put in the column, I mean what we put in the table header, the contents of table header tags should be bold and centered. This is the point. And also we can change, we can put it at the center, or we can change its alignment. Here we can say align equal to center. Align center. Then let us see what will happen. Look that our table is at the center. Now, in order to specify whether it is the table which stores about student information or not, we have to specify within body outs of the table. Here, heading 1 or header 1, align equal to center. Students table as the name of the table. As the names of the table, let us refresh the look students table. You can use this one as this one. If we want to, we can align at the right, we can align at the left, we can align at the right. Here this one, for example, changing only this one, right, look, our table is at the right, we can say at the left. This is what alignment. And another tags are there, like that of table caption, and for defining the table with caption, many tags are there. This is how to define the table, or how to display the table within with the web browsers. Now, what will be displayed by this file is this one. What will be displayed by this file is this one. Okay. For example, we can make click center. Okay, we have to save the change that we have done. That we can change its background color and the color for the tables. For background colors of the web page, at the body tag, background color, bg color equal to, let me say, okay, yellow. And for the table, let me say background color, bg color means for background color equal to green. Now saving the change that I have done. Look, green is for backgrounds of the table, and the yellow is for backgrounds of the whole web pages. Those are the attributes that we can define on the tables. And actually many attributes are left, like that of cell padding, cell spacing, row span, and the call span. Another attribute, very important attribute left are there. For that I will do another video. So as general, this is the examples as programs or HTML files. Table tag is to define a table, and this border attribute is to define borders for the table, and the others are there. For example, like that of height, width for specifying width and height, and the background color for the table, and the other tag tr is for defining the row for the table, th, those all are what? For defining header for the table. Now, what I want to tell you is that th and the td can do the same things. That means both of them are to insert data to the cell. But their difference is that the content is, or what we put inside this th tag is both centered and bold and aligned at the center. Bold and centered. And they are most of the time used for what? They are they are used for the headers of the table. To put the data at column header. We use th tag to put the data at column header. And to insert data out of the table header, we use td tags. This is all what I have for this video. It is about HTML table. Table is one element that we can create within HTML files and that we can display on the web browser as we have seen now by the very common tag within HTML table tag, tr tag, or for defining the rows of the table, th tag for defining the column headers for the table, and the td tag for defining data for each of the cells. And another about attributes, different attributes are there, like that of border for the table, height, width for the table, background color for the table, alignment for the table we have seen within this video. And another attribute for the tables are the left attribute. The very important attributes are there, the left attribute, that I will do another video for those left attributes, like that of cell padding, cell spacing, row span, and the col span. They are the very important tags within to defining or to manipulating or to changing the contents of the table structures. And for this video, this is all what I have. If there is any question, if there is any unclear idea, you can raise by putting it on the comments of my video. And also what I want to tell you again is that if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel to get another very important video. Please subscribe my channels, and like my videos, and share the channel's link and the videos link with your friends. This is the very important lesson is there here. Very important lessons are there here. Don't forget to subscribe to go to more. This is all what I have for this video. Thank you for your time. Bye.